Hello, this is Master Luke Chen. So today we want to talk about Tao Te Ching and Qigong, but I want to emphasize on the concept of Tao Te Ching is one or oneness. And first of all, I want to show you how to write one. Actually, everyone already know how to write one. If you know how to write minus sign, a minus sign, this is called one. Just a minus sign, but of course in a box there you want. And then two, you just want to add up this two. Three, of course, the 1, 2, 3. So it's very easy to learn Chinese if you start to write it. And then if you memorize 1 minus equal sign of 2 minus equal to 2, 3 equal to 3, and so forth. And of course 4, 5, 6 is different, but it's all based on the strokes, right? So 1 in Tao Te Ching chapter in chapter 42, 1 begets 2, 2 begets 3, 3 begets 10,000 things. In other words, 1 gives to Tao gives to the birth 1 and 2, 3 and 10,000 things. 10,000 things carry yin and embrace yang and breathing qi to harmonize the whole thing. So it's basically what we're saying is Tao, which is beyond us, within us, everywhere, but it is from that very beginning, it gave to one. One is basically including yin yang, including both. So a lot of people in the West, the Tao is they do not have the word similar because it is contains both negative, positive together as one, and not in the Western concept. Many times either you're 1 or 0, 0, 1. But in the Tao concept, is 1 is actually can coexist with each other. Nowadays, at the computer quantum physics, proven that can be either 1 or 2. It's entangled. So this, but anyway, in Qigong, that when we're doing the breathing in the qi, the air into your dantian, from there you stop and then mix the qi together and become one, and then going out, going in and out. So this a mix of things. It's the one that become one. Is you cannot separate it, but you can separate it when you're breathing out. While you're breathing out, actually you're breathing in simultaneously. It is so in Qigong, what we're just doing it, release, stop, absorb. So it looks like the movement, but it contains stops. Stop and go actually happen at the same time. And so the one is another explanation of one or meaning of one is that the trees, the water, you and me, the air, everything is one. And in other words, we dance to, like Albert Einstein said, that we dance to the invisible piper far away, and we breathe that same thing. We dance to the same thing. That's Tao itself. So all together we call it one. So if less one atom it's not one. So, so the idea is that if we are a drop of water in the ocean, but the ocean will be less, one drop less if we are not there. So we together as oneness. We cannot miss anyone, any trees, any just like the trees, animals. We all together in this concept. So, so when you're doing the sixth direction, and then you imagine yourself empty, and then empty, and then not empty, matter, not matter, actually is one. In that stage of oneness, then the healing occurs from the fingers to the heart and lungs, and then that is why the concept of one is important. But anyway, so if you have time, read the Tao Te Ching. Again, the love yourself, love others, love nature is the essence of Tao. I love you from Yang Suo.